We have the Arduino Uno microcontroller with shield cover plastic. Arduino Uno microcontroller. We are going to make a project called the Tone Melody Sound Generator. So here we're going to upload the code for our project using the USB cable from a computer. Then we're going to upload the code from the computer. Now done at our coding. So we have now the code from the computer, and to play the tone melody or the sound generated by this code of the Arduino, we're going to use this buzzer. This is a piezo buzzer, and it has 2 pins. Since in our code the pin out is number 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then the other pin connected to the ground. Okay, we can now test the sound we downloaded, or the tone melody we downloaded, by pressing the reset switch. That is the sound we uploaded. Again, reset. Okay, since we have now this tone melody from the library, Arduino library, all we just did, what we just done is by uploading the code. And there are so many available tone melody. Let us upload another tone melody or songs, or what do you call that, music, songs, or audio, sounds, melody. Let us upload another one. on with our uploading the code. So instead of using the USB supply, we're going to use 9 volts battery with cable as a supply to the Arduino, because we already finished okay, the music we just have heard is music from Beethoven for Elise, for Elise or for Elise, and that is the tone melody generator created by the code of the Arduino.